Good morning, students. Today we will learn to draw the nerve cell. So let us just start with it. First we will draw the cytone. Cytone or the cell body of the nerve cell. This cytone is having fine branches coming out. These fine branches are called the dendrites. Fine branches are the dendrons and further finer branches are the dendrites. So let us label it. This is the cytone. These are the dendrites. Dendrons. In the center we have is the nucleus. Also in the cytoplasm of the nerve cell, certain granules are present. These are called the Nissl granules. These small granules which are present in the cytoplasm of a nerve cell, these are called Nissl granules. So this is our cytone. Cytone is also called the perikaryon. The main cell body of the nerve cell. Further, one of the main branch from the cytone which comes out, this is called the axon. Axon, and these are the exon endings. Right? So these are exon endings. Okay. Now axon is covered with a layer called neurolemma. So neurolemma is present, which is covering the axon, and there are certain gaps, periodic gaps between this sheath. This is called the node of Renvier. Node of Renvier. So this layer which is covering, this is the neurolemma. Neurolemma, a sheath which is covering the axon. Also inside the neurolemma we have is the myelin sheath, that is again covering the axon, right? So this one we can label it as myelin sheath. Myelin sheath or medullary sheath. This myelin sheath or medullary sheath, it is covering the axon and it is not allowing the intermixing of the impulses between various neurons. In a nerve which is a bundle of neurons, we have various neurons. Now when various neurons are present, bundled together, the impulses may mix with each other. So to prevent this intermixing of the impulses between the neurons, we have is this myelin sheath. And the gaps, periodic gaps between the myelin sheath or neurolemma are called the node of Renvier. These are the exon endings. Axon is the main branch which comes out from the nerve cell. Main cell body of the nerve cell is called the cytone. Cytone is having the fine branches called the dendrons, which further divide into much finer branches which are called the dendrites. Dendrites pick up the message, pass on to the cytone, and then through the axon it is being sent further. So this is the general structure of a nerve cell. Thank you, children.